Straight Talk Mobile Hotspots provide a convenient way to share your cellular data connection with multiple devices, giving you internet access wherever you go. A mobile hotspot is a portable device that creates a Wi Fi network using your cellular data connection. This allows laptops, tablets, and other devices to connect to the internet through your cellular plan. Straight Talk offers different plans with varying hotspot data allowances. The unlimited gold plan includes 30 gigabytes of hotspot data, while the unlimited platinum plan provides unlimited hotspot data, though speeds are capped at 5 megabits per second. It's important to understand that exceeding your high-speed data limits may result in throttled speeds. This means your connection will become slower once you reach your plan's data cap. An important note about plan compatibility. Mobile hotspots and tablets only work with Straight Talk data service plans. The regular unlimited plans and all you need plans are not compatible with these devices. Straight Talk now operates exclusively on Verizon's network towers, providing reliable coverage across most of the United States with access to both 4G LTE and 5G ultra-wideband networks. Understanding these data limits and plan options will help you choose the right Straight Talk mobile hotspot plan for your needs and avoid unexpected slowdowns. To use your Straight Talk mobile hotspot effectively, you'll need the right setup and understanding of how to connect your devices safely and efficiently. First, you'll need two essential components: a compatible device and a Straight Talk data service plan. Mobile hotspots and tablets only work with data service plans, not regular unlimited plans. Setting up your hotspot is straightforward and involves three simple steps: activate your plan, power on your device, and enable the hotspot feature. Once your hotspot is active, connecting your devices is simple. Find the hotspot's Wi-Fi network name, enter the provided password, and you're connected. You can connect multiple devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Your Straight Talk mobile hotspot provides enhanced security compared to public Wi-Fi networks. This private connection protects your data from potential threats found on unsecured public networks. Be mindful of your data consumption, especially when streaming HD video, which can quickly use significant amounts of your hotspot data allowance. Monitor your usage to avoid exceeding your plan limits. Straight Talk leverages Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network to deliver faster speeds and more reliable connections. This means better performance for your connected devices across most areas of the United States.